This game is Battleship. Battleship is one of the games I use as one of my cooperative learning games that kind of spans the gap from one unit to the next. Or when I can tell that my students are ready for a break, we'll play Battleship. I try to get about 4 to 6 people on each battleship. There are 8 pins that go around the mat. 3 on the front, 3 in the back, 1 on the left and 1 on the right. Students have 2 players who will be on the battleship, 2 people who are off the battleship. People on the battleship, your job is to guard the pins and to take the balls and to throw them at the other bowling pins at the battleships. Not the people, the bowling pins. The other people on the scooters, those are the Scuba Divers. Their job is to collect the balls and bring them back to their battleship. People on the scooters cannot guard and cannot throw at other people's battleships. I have a timer going every 2.5 minutes. When the timer goes off, it emits a honking sound that tells all of our battleships it is time to change jobs. Scuba Divers become Battleship, and Battleship becomes Scuba Divers. When a pin falls down, it stays down, and once all of your pins have been knocked over, your ship has sunk. They have sunk your battleship. Coming around to this angle because this team already has 7 pins down, and there's the winning shot. So this team was sunk. They're not out of the game. They go over to a corner. Up on my whiteboard, I have a list of 2 different exercises depending on what unit we just completed or what unit we have coming up. We have hockey coming up, so here they're doing 15 tap-tap dribbles and then 5 wall passes. Back in December, we had cup stacking as one of these stations. You can have exercises up on the wall. While the students are away from their ship is sunk. Students can come from other teams and take the cannonballs off of the ship and take them back to their battleship so their people on their battleship can use them to throw at the pins on the other teams. Try to eliminate them. The team that just finished their exercises, they come back and they start rebuilding their ship. While they are rebuilding, no one can throw at them. If one of their pins gets knocked down, they're allowed to set it back up. They don't have to yell. Just say, hey, we're rebuilding. Everyone knows they are closed, but once they get up and start playing, they're right back in the action. Hope you enjoyed this. Name of the game is Battleship. For other ideas like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, RHEPE. Have a great school year.